Hello, hello, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I've got a cute project for you guys. This is Little Chapters, is featuring the Tiny Tales and Tummy Time collection. For this project, I use a 12 by 12 and an 8 by 8. You need both of these for the project. This collection comes complete with everything you need to document baby's first year. If you'd like a girl version, I have Little Dreamer, her first year, also documenting baby's first year. It's really, really gorgeous. For this project, once again, a 12 by 12 and an 8 by 8 is what you will need to complete the project. Of course, along with chipboard, double-sided tape, glue, all that good stuff, and P3 tape. So let me show you how this opens. So boom, like so, and you get 12 folios, one for each month. It's perfect for documenting a full year. Of any kind, whether that be baby's first year or a school year, it would be beautiful. Now, let me show you these folios. There's 12 in total. You make 12 in total, but you get 4 styles. So here's month 1, and this is style 1. It's really, really cute. It's designed to hold 5 by 7s and below. Okay, so this is a 4 by 6, but this spot right here, you can do a full 5 by 7. So we open it like so, and you flip, 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 flip through the baby's first month. Really, really cute, guys. There's journaling cards for the baby's month 1 through 12 in this collection, as you can see here, and then you do photos in here as well. Let's put this back. Now I want to show you what this looks like if you only did photos, not a lot of pattern paper. I get the question all the time, well, how many photos would it hold? That's very subjective. It all depends on how much pattern paper you use. All right, so this is the book for 5 months, and this is the same exact style. Okay, now I want you to take a look at the photo opportunity here. So here we have, I did a 4 by 6 here. This would be a 5 by 7. Here I have a photo here. Here I chose to do pocket cards. So if you do pocket card, you get one less opportunity for photo. Photo, photo on this side. Photo, photo, photo. So here's 3. Here you got 2. Okay, here you have 4 versus 2. We do 1, 1, 1, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Apparently I can't count. On this side, 4 by 6, 4 by 6, very similar. When we flip, here I did pattern paper, but this is for a photo. And then here, see here, I decorated. And so here I got photo, photo, and photo, photo, and photo. Here we did decorative elements, a little photo, and then photo on the inside here. So it is entirely up to you how much you want to decorate and how much you want to leave for photos. Again, totally up to you. And you can do it in so many different configurations, and it'll be super duper cute. All right, let's put this back and let's take a look at the other styles. All right, so this was 5 months. So we looked at that one already. We looked at month 1. Let's take a look at month 2. So here's month 2, how cute. And I'll find one that's not decked out with pattern paper. All right, so here's your 4 by 6. This one opens like so. Got a little envelope here and room for photos here. This comes out, and then we've got super cute sentiments. There's all sorts of absolutely adorable things for photo opportunities in these books. They're really simple to make, and it holds quite a bit of photos. Now let's take a look one that's all decked out with photo mats. All right, so here's 12 months. So here's the cover. How cute the back cover. Spoiler rotten. And then right here, here's your room for your 4 by 6. So here, see here I got pattern paper, and on this one I did 3 photo mats. Flip, 3 more photo mats. Flip, we have the 3 photo mats here. Here, these are all decked out for photo mats, just like this side, and then pattern paper on the back. All right. So you get a few extra photo spaces on this one. Not a lot of pattern paper. How cute it is to put them back. Isn't that the cutest thing? I will be doing a travel version of this project. So here it is, naked. It's ready to rock and roll, and I'll be using the passenger collection. If you join my kit club for EKC 25, you're going to get passenger collection in the 12 by 12 and the 8 by 8. So we're going to decorate this together. So if you'd like to follow along, you can get the little chapters tutorial and the passenger collection for this. All right, let's continue. So we've got month 3, and here's another style. So again, room for the 4 by 6. Look how cute this one is. Oh my goodness. We got a little belly band there. This opens up like so. And again, room for the 5 by 7. So you can put a 5 by 7 here. And then you have this. This opens up. There's a little bit of acetate there for some more interest. You put a photo in this pocket. And there's a folio. So look at how cute. So that you can record the baby's 3rd month and you can get a photo right on the cover. All right, let's look at number 4. So I love that you have this strikes a balance. Even in the decorating process, when I go through style 1 through 4, you can see that depends on how much pattern paper you choose to use. That'll determine how many photos you can get in here. So here's this one. Cute little pocket here. Whatever you put in this pocket will hold these nice and tidy. This one has a ton of room for your 4 by 6s and your 5 by 7s, right? Whatever you put in here keeps this flap closed. You can put a photo right here because let's say your 4 by 6 photo mat, right? Will go here, photo right here. Again, another opportunity for a photo. Then this opens up like so, and you get mat, photo mat, and again, this is decked out for photos. 5 by 7, 4 by 6s, or a combination of 3 by 4s right here. It is entirely up to you, but how great to have that 5 by 7 spot. I think that really works well for those school pictures. Very, very cute. I love it. This project is this should be a staple, guys, in your crafting tutorial arsenal. I think we looked at month 5. Yes, here's month 6. Oh, this is the same one. This one is decked out with more pattern paper. Okay, so look at this. This is a gift. So I didn't glue the tabs down because I don't know what month the baby's rolling over. Every baby's different. So I just put this there, just as a decorative purpose, but mama will replace those with whatever she wants. And look at this one here, a spot for an additional photo. The paper is super duper cute, guys. You're going to love working with this paper. So same one we just looked at, except that I did it up different, right? This one has a little envelope here. There's a belly band here. So see the same exact, was it month 4? Yep, same, here is month 4 for a photo. And this is if you decide to go another way, another option. Okay, put a little note for baby in here, what they did that month, all the good stuff, my friends. So this, you can even do something like this. See, that would be your closure. All right, there's plenty of these in the paper collection. I am giving mama, so here you do 2 by 2s, right? I'm giving mama a little envelope with embellishments so that she can place embellishments after she places photos. So here it is with an envelope in the back. The envelopes are in the paper collection. And with the 6-month journaling card and a little pocket card. This is the pocket card from the 8 by 8 collection. So you need both sizes to get this look, okay? All right, so month 4 goes right here, and month 6. Now let's look at month 7. Okay, how cute with the acetate on the cover. And I take you through this process, guys, on getting these looks. Looking how cute. Oh yeah, I did glue that down. Sometimes I can't remember if I glue things down or not. So this is same as style 1. Here we did mirror image, and I go through that in the decorating process. How cute is that? So more decorating here, less photos. Okay, see that? It just all depends how much you want to deck things out. Oh, so cute. I love month 7. Right, month 8, some more acetate. And this one, oh, I love some more pocket cards, little dinos, mirror image. How cute. The mirror image is in this collection, so you don't have to worry about printing mirror image if you get the hard copies. Those are all included in the printed paper collection. How adorable is this? So you can, again, I know I sound like a broken record, but decorate as little or as much as you want. Remember, the more decorating, the more pattern paper, the less photo opportunities. All right, let's look at month 9. I promise I won't say it again. Oh, I love this one too. Here I did a pocket card right on the page where you put your photo mat in there. So here's another idea for a closure. Okay, so here's your closure. This opens up and you can do, whoopsie, photo, photo, and nothing here, right? So, but you can do photo here and here, which would obviously maximize your photo opportunity. This comes down your 5x7, 4x6, 3x4s, and another 4x6 back there. One or two or three of them back there will fit very comfortably. And then you tuck that right back there. Done. That's month 9. Let's look at month 10. Ooh, another one where I think I did mostly photo mats. So photo mat, photo mat, photo mat. Open that up for photo. Remember, photo mat in here, right in there. Open up again. Photo, photo, look. So this is what it looks like with just photos. How fun, these smaller photos. This creates a super interesting project. You always want to consider doing photos like this. I promise you, there will be photos that you can crop to get this look. Okay? Absolutely. So, decked out for photos. That's 10, 11. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. I really appreciate it. So, for your 5x7, and for photos, guys. How great. See how different they look? So this one, my closure is a paper clip. And guess what? There's plenty of embellishments to just tack one on right here. So I did that for Mom. I wrote her a little note just in case she feels like getting a little bit crafty. She can place her own embellishment. I decked out a few for her so she can get some inspiration, and then I left a few undone so she can deck out. So this one I couldn't help myself. I went a little nuts. We already looked at this one, but let's look again. This is month 12. How cute. Lots of room for photos here. I kind of did in between here with photo and pattern paper and some embellishments. How cute. Ah, so adorable. I just love it. And that's it. This project is really, really easy to make. It's very repetitive. So once you get 4 of the styles done, then you make 2 more of each for a total of 4 of each style to complete your 12 books and your boxes. Look at that. Isn't that great? You can choose to do acetate or leave this solid, is up to you. So you can put a photo of baby here. Again, the more bells and whistles that you use, the less photo space you have. And you can put a photo of baby right here. So little chapters, really, really cute. You need your P3 tape for this. So if you want to get P3 tape, go for it. And your double-sided tape as well, your Maker Basics tape in a 3/8 inch at paperphenomenon.com. And of course, the tutorial and whatever paper you choose. I love to hear your thoughts on this project. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.